Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds bling.
I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I really had to pull myself together today, like pull myself by the bootstraps, because I woke up like my house completely turned over. I don't even know what happened. I think I went like maybe 2 days without picking up, and it just got chaotic. It doesn't look too bad in this frame, but like I have games and stuff on the chair, stuff on the coffee table, pillows all over the place from the couch. It's like every room is messy. So I need to clean today, because whenever the house is like this, my brain is like literally the same, like a reflection of whatever I'm looking at. Throw on some makeup to just, put me in a better mood or whatever. It's almost 12. It's 11:57. So it's pretty late, but well, not late, but it's late in the morning because I spent the first like couple hours editing today's vlog. So I edited that. I'm exporting it on my computer right now, which is great. So now I can actually get started cleaning. I did start laundry earlier because obviously like I can do that. But I need to do dishes. I need to do dishes. I need to just clean, girl. We need to clean. In my closet, I've been avoiding my closet for months at this point, and I need to really go in there and just do a deep clean and get rid of some things and change some stuff around and just, make it look like a closet. That's how my day's going. I also have my little checklist, my little to-do list that I made earlier. So the first thing on there was edit and upload VLOGMAS, which was today's vlog, which I did. Well, I edited and it's exporting. So I'm going to check that off because I kind of did that. And then under that, I literally put clean for like 3 different rooms. I put them all separately so that I could check them off as I go. So living room, clean office, which is like the living room office area, kitchen, bathroom. I put those for today. And then I wanted to label some stuff for my kids. I need to upload a reel, TikTok. I need to vacuum and mop. I put that separate because that's a whole nother chore. I need to do laundry, dishes, cook. So for cooking today, I think I'm going to make Alfredo. I wanted to try it. It's from Rouse, and they usually make really good sauces. So they're pricey too. So like their sauces are typically like $10 compared to the other like ragu and stuff, which is like $3. So I'm trying to decide if I want to do shrimp or chicken Alfredo. I have both. No, actually, I don't think I have chicken. I'm gonna go double check. I think I have chicken, but I don't think I have chicken breast. So I'm gonna see what I have. If I don't have chicken breast, I'm just gonna do shrimp Alfredo. But I need to think of what I'm gonna make for Callie and Clay because they're not gonna eat that. My kids, That's kind of my to-do list. I had made myself a cold brew. I pretty much drank it while I was editing the video. And I do need to do my devotional. I just feel like today is the day where I need to get my devotional. And I should do it every day, but I don't always get to. But on days where I, feel like in a slump almost, I definitely want to make sure I do all the things I need to do to get me feeling my best. I'm gonna start cleaning. Cleaning definitely also makes me feel great because it's just nice to see the transformation of like a messy space into a nice clean space. And I'm gonna light some candles and just set a vibe because that's what I need right now. That's what I need today. Hey guys, I just took a quick break from cleaning, having lunch. I'm having this protein shake. I really like this one, this flavor, Premier Protein. This is 30 grams of protein. This flavor is really good. This brand in general, I feel like I do like their shakes. So yeah, I'm having that. And I'm also about to label my kids' games because now that they both have the games, I want to make sure like they know whose is whose and there's no confusion. Okay, so I'm gonna put clays on. I also got a package while I was cleaning, so we can unbox it together. Let's see. Okay, this is just what I need for my lips. So this is the Buxom Full On Plumpin' Lip Matte. It says play the field with color, fall in love with matte. So it's a new line. It's a matte finish plumping product. It has a peptide, hyaluronic fill-in spheres, vitamin E, and vitamin E, lots of good stuff. So these are what they sent me. This one's called After Hours. It's like a nice brown color. This one's pretty. This one might be like one of my favorites. Love this. Look at this color. Right up my alley, y'all. Oh my gosh. They also sent this color called GNO, and then this color is called Dolly. So Dolly is one of their known colors, traditional buxom color. These are going to be in a Vlogmas giveaway, so I'm not going to open them. They also sent some lip liners, creamy chocolate, which I'm assuming is a dark chocolatey color. We have Rose Rich, and then we have Dolly Dangerous. Dolly Dangerous. So these are all for the corresponding lip products. Put this away. Hey guys, I need to go get Cali, so I'm just gonna turn off my candle real quick. Just turning off my candle so I can go get Cali. I'm gonna put some of this on my lips as well. I just finished responding to all the comments on yesterday's Vlogmas video, which is not technically yesterday in my world, not in your world. Yes, charged.
Oh no, there's two. Which one is mine?
Check the back.
Let me see. Huh? So this is mine. Let me check.
I knew this would happen. That's why I did that. See, look at me thinking ahead. You want to take your coat off? How was school? Take your jacket off. I'm going to go get Cali, okay? So we're going to go get Cali. Let me throw on some lip gloss. My hair's looking crazy, but it's okay. It's okay. Gloss. I'm going to go. It's so dark outside. Oh, I didn't tell you guys about Cali's show yesterday. It was actually a really nice show. Like she sang, she danced. It was like really nice. It was like the whole it was her whole grade performing. It was really, really nice. I'm back home from getting Cali. I'm about to go fold some laundry and watch everyone's Vlogmas videos. Like, I'm gonna get caught up. I have tons of laundry to fold. So snacking on these while I start dinner. I'm gonna do pasta. This is the Alfredo I'm gonna use. For the kids, I'm gonna do breakfast for dinner. So we're gonna have pancakes, eggs, bacon. I'm gonna use a Christmas tree waffle maker. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do because I can't think of anything and I think they'll like this. So most of the shrimp is defrosted. I just took off the ends and I'm boiling the water for the pasta right now. super, super cute. These are so cute, guys. I love. Some of these, I also put a couple of these in the oven, so it has like 4 minutes left. The pasta, which looks really yummy.